guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Expert Playing Card Company Superior brand playing cards. Now this is the classic back, fine quality playing cards, as you can see here. Now it's a plastic feeling tap case. It may be card, but it feels very plasticky, and the outside feels very plasticky. Now, it's not overly embossed, but you can see there's a metallic silver Superior brand logo there. Expert Playing Card Company, Superior playing cards, manufactured to an expert standard in Taiwan by the Expert Playing Card Company. Now, classic finish, poker sized, back design there. Let's get in and have a look. So you have Superior brand, and again, as I said, it feels very plasticky. It may be card, but I don't think it is. Either that or it's a very highly coated card. So here we have the Ace of Spades, Expert Playing Card Company, New York City, 10,001. We have a Joker there, Expert Playing Card Company. And we have a second Joker there. Both the same. Very cool. Let's get them out of the way. So yeah, as I said, here's the Ace of Spades. Very nice. It looks like a very standard face if this wasn't on it, or even just the, very standard along with the rest. But I mean, I don't know if this is a standard face for the Expert Playing Card Company because I don't have many of their decks, but it looks to be a very, very standard deck. But I mean, yeah, it's nice. It feels nice. They feel a bit plasticky, a bit like the case. And as you can see, it's got that an air cushioned finish to it, a linen finish. I mean, they're quite stiff. I mean, I suppose once you work the deck in, you get used to it. That will work itself out. I mean, it fans brilliantly. It's a very tight fan. Spreads very nice. They've sort of got that grip feel to each other where they don't just immediately just fling off. They feel very uniformed. They're just a really nice feeling deck. Probably very, very standard. I don't know much about the Expert Playing Card Company, but they feel very nice. Looking at the back design here, it's a very symmetrical design, very sort of very nice swirling circles. You've got what looks like a sort of spade there. You've got like almost a diamond shaped here. It looks like the swirls sort of curl out into a heart. So I don't know whether that's incorporating the suits into it. Yeah, it's just a very nice feeling deck. Very different to the United States Playing Card Company. It's not they feel bad. They feel a bit plasticky. And I don't know whether I love that or hate that, but it's certainly not bad. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with them, absolutely. I'm presuming I didn't pay a lot for them. I can't imagine that I would have. There's nothing that massively stands out to me here. And the tuck case, as I said, it feels very plasticky, but it does look very, very nice. So yeah, they feel like a nice standard deck of cards. They'd function as well as any other deck of cards. But yeah, they're very nice. I like them. I like black and white, which is always a bonus for me, and this has it here. And I mean, as I said, they feel just as good as the United States Playing Card Company decks feel. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm happy with them. Again, I think the tuck case is a little wider, but I think that's partly because of the plasticky feel to it, because it kind of sort of bulges out a little bit, if you can see that here, and again here. And I think that's through the material that they've used, rather than it sitting flush like you would expect from a standard tuck case. But yeah, no, I'm very happy with them. Absolutely nothing wrong. Yeah, I'll definitely buy them again. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.